Your first question: when is Constitution Day celebrated? Option A 26 November, B 30 January, C 26 January, D 1 March. Right answer is option A 26 November. Second question: which is the first month of Hindi calendar? Option A Bhadrapada, B Chaitra, C Shravana, D Ashada. Right answer is option B Chaitra. Third question: the topic of cancer passes through how many states of India? Option A 5 states, B 7 states, C 8 states, D 6 states. Right answer is option C 8 states. Fourth question: in which country plastic notes are issued? Option A China, B Australia, C Sri Lanka, D Malaysia. Right answer is option B Australia. Fifth question: what is the national animal of India? Option A kangaroo, B cheetah, C tiger, D elephant. Right answer is option C tiger. Sixth question: which bird has largest egg? Option A duck, B ostrich, C parrot, D peacock. Right answer is option B ostrich. Seventh question: which continent is the least populated in the world? Option A Asia, B Antarctica, C Europe, D South America. Right answer is option B Antarctica. Eighth question: in which state is the Konark Sun Temple located? Option A Rajasthan, B Kerala, C Sikkim, D Odisha. Right answer is option D Odisha. Ninth question: which animal gives both milk and eggs? Option A horse, B rabbit, C platypus, D rat. Right answer is option C platypus. 10th question: where is the world's largest school? Option A Russia, B India, C China, D America. Correct answer is option B India. 11th question: which is the most populous country of the Asian continent? Option A Indonesia, B China, C India, D Pakistan. Right answer is option C India. 12th question. Which country is known as the land of white elephant? Option A. Afghanistan, B. Japan, C. Malaysia, D. Thailand. Right answer is option D. Thailand. 13th question. What is the currency of United Kingdom? Option A. Rupees, B. Ruble, C. Pound, D. Dollar. Right answer is option C. Pound. 14th question. On which day is Teachers' Day celebrated? Option A. November 1, B. September 5, C. November 14, D. May 1. Right answer is option B. September 5. 15th question. Which country is known as the land of smiles? Option A. Singapore, B. Indonesia, C. Thailand, D. Finland. Right answer is option C. Thailand. 16th question. Which is the fastest train in India? Option A. Vivek Express, B. Vande Bharat Express, C. Lifeline Express, D. Chennai Express. Right answer is option B. Vande Bharat Express. 17th question. Which continent is known as the Dark Continent? Option A. Africa, B. Europe, C. Asia, D. Australia. Right answer is option A. Africa. 18th question. What is the largest country in South America? Option A. Colombia, B. Argentina, C. Brazil, D. Peru. Right answer is option C. Brazil. 19th question. In which country is maximum mango produced? Option A. France, B. Singapore, C. Indonesia, D. India. Right answer is option D. India. Your 20th question. In which year did railways start in India? Option A. 1853, B. 1947, C. 1950, D. 1926. Right answer is option A. 1853. 21st question. Who gave the slogan Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan? Option A. Abdul Kalam, B. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, C. Lal Bahadur Shastri, D. Bhagat Singh. Right answer is option C. Lal Bahadur Shastri. 22 question. What is the biggest post of Indian police? Option A. SP, B. DIG, C. DGP, D. IG. Correct answer is option C. DGP. 23rd question. Which is the most hardworking creature in the world? Option A rabbit, B donkey, C elephant, D ant. Right answer is option D ant. 24th question. Which country is called the land of rising sun? Option A India, B China, C Japan, D Russia. Right answer is option C Japan. 25th question. Which is called the country of gold and diamonds? Option A Indonesia, B South Africa, C Afghanistan, D Sri Lanka. Right answer is option B South Africa. 26th question. Which country is the largest producer of diamonds in the world? Option A Afghanistan, B America, C Russia, D China. Right answer is option C Russia. 27th question. Which state is known as the sugar bowl of India? Option A Karnataka, B Uttar Pradesh, C Madhya Pradesh, D Andhra Pradesh. Correct answer is option B Uttar Pradesh. 28th question. In which state is the maximum production of apple in India? Option A Jammu and Kashmir, B Gujarat, C West Bengal, D Karnataka. Correct answer is Jammu and Kashmir. 29th question. Which is the smallest continent in the world? Option A Asia, B Australia, C Europe, D North America. Right answer is option B Australia. Your 30 question. How many planets are there in the solar system? Option A 12, B 9, C 8, D 10. Correct answer is option C 8. 31 question. After Hindi, which is the second most spoken language in India? Option A Bengali, B Marathi, C Telugu, D Kannada. Right answer is option A Bengali. 32 question. Who was popularly called as Chachaji? Option A Mahatma Gandhi, B Jawaharlal Nehru, C Bhagat Singh, D Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Right answer is option B Jawaharlal Nehru. 33 question. When is Army Day celebrated in India? Option A March 11, B January 26, C January 15, D December 29. Right answer is option C, January 15. 34th question. What is the national monument of India? Option A, Red Fort. B, Taj Mahal. C, Charminar. D, India Gate. Right answer is option D, India Gate. 35 question. In which country was the internet first used? Option A, America. B, India. C, China. D, Japan. Correct answer is option A, America. 36th question. Where was the first post office opened in India? Option A, Chennai. B, Kolkata. C, Mumbai. D, Bangalore. Correct answer is option B, Kolkata. 37th question. How many seconds are there in a 1 minute? Option A, 30 seconds. B, 55 seconds. C, 60 seconds. D, 25 seconds. Correct answer is option C, 60 seconds. 38th question. Who gave the slogan "Back to the Vedas"? Option A, Swami Dayananda Saraswati. B, Jyotiba Phule. C, Swami Vivekananda. D, Bhagat Singh. Right answer is option A, Swami Dayananda Saraswati. Your 39th question. How many digits are there in mobile number in India? Option A, 15 digit. B, 10 digit. C, 12 digit. D, 6 digit. Correct answer is option B, 10 digit in India mobile number. Your last question. What is the capital city of Andhra Pradesh? Option A, Hyderabad. B, Amaravati. C, Munirabad. D, Bangalore. Guess me correct answer and comment the box. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and support my channel. Love you all guys. Take care. Bye.